Streets of gold and mountains high, whispers of the past fly by. Laughter fills the ancient air. Tbilisi's got a secret flair. Rivers twist and bridges arc, casting shadows after dark. Cobblestones where stories walk, every corner hears the talk. Tbilisi dreams in colors bright, every day turns into night. Feel the magic in the light, city's heart is burning bright. Markets hum with life and cheer, histories that we hold dear. Through the alleys love's been told, in Tbilisi life unfolds. Wine flows down from ancient lands, melodies in lovers' hands. Dancing through the night we roam, Tbilisi feels just like home. Tbilisi dreams in colors bright, every day turns into night. Feel the magic in the light, city's heart is burning bright, bright. Tbilisi dreams in colors bright, every day turns into night. Feel the magic in the light, city's heart is burning bright, bright. Markets hum with life and cheer, histories that we hold dear. Through the alleys love's been told, in Tbilisi life unfolds.
Streets that wind like ancient tales, cobblestones that hold the ground. Whispers from the balcony, Old Tbilisi symphony. Wine that flows like history, through the alleys silently. Lamps that glow in twilight's grip, memories in every sip. Old Tbilisi in the night, stars above a timeless sight. Echoes of the past serene, in your heart forever seen. Balconies with violin lace, cradling each withered face. Shadows in the candles gleam, living on in every dream. Market stalls with treasures bright, guided by the moon's soft light. Songs from tavern to the square, every corner whispers care. Old Tbilisi in the night, stars above a timeless sight. Echoes of the past serene, in your heart forever seen. Balconies with violin lace, cradling each weathered face. shadows in the candles gleam, living on in every dream. Market stalls with treasures bright, guided by the moon's soft light. Songs from tavern to the square, every corner whispers care. Old Tbilisi in the night, stars above a timeless sight. Echoes of the past serene, and in your heart forever seen.
Cobblestone whispers beneath our feet, lamps flicker shadows where memories meet. Balconies hanging like time in the air, stories of old in the evening stare. River rolls gently by fortress walls, echoes of laughter in ancient halls. Markets with treasures that sparkle and gleam, dreams of the past like a flowing stream. Old Tbilisi, your heart never fades. In your alleys our love serenades. With each step your soul we ignite. Old Tbilisi, you're shining tonight. Music in courtyards that sings to the moon, voices in harmony sweet as June. The city a canvas painted with grace, every corner holds